Namaskar and welcome to Aad Yog. Today through this channel, I'm going to announce a very good news. Today we have started a new channel that is Aad Yog in Hindi language. That's our channel, your channel, and Hindi viewers can also subscribe that channel as well. Now I have started, not I have started, but somehow the system has started that we will be conducting free meditation classes. It is not like just free meditation classes that we will be just doing nothing. We will be going from the very basic system and the very true identity of your to the very you, to your real self. And this journey will take a little time. Obviously, it takes time. Effort is needed. And for that, because Indian timing is different and other Western time, American time, European time is different. So it's a very time-consuming job. It's a very hard process to teach for free. It's a very hard process, and but I need dedication. Only then, time is very valuable. It's the luxury that we cannot afford. Nobody can. Okay, so I want you to value your time because we have this much time on this planet and this much we are ready to waste. Okay, so we need to consume the whole into the process of growing, to know yourself. And this is, I think, what every guru, every supreme creature on this planet has already said. I'm not new. They have already said it. I'm just repeating their words. That we need a little effort to know ourselves, and once we know ourselves, then everything here, you just look at this illusion, the Maya, very, very clearly. And you can live your life staying in the Maya, because as long as you have the body, you will eat, you will drive cars, you will do all sort of businesses. Staying in the Maya and still unattached with it, and at the same time achieving the nirvana, moksha, liberation, whatever name you can give it to. Yes, and for that I need your help. If you want to join this and you're serious about it, just send me comment, forward this video to as many people as possible so that people can come and we all can do it together. More enlightened being on this planet is not a bad thing. Okay, no more wars, no more nothing bad. We don't want anything bad on this planet. And if we all are aware, awaken, we won't do the stupid stuff. Yeah, some things, some words, if I use this, the algorithm is such, it will ban my video or something like that. I don't want to use those words, but I think my idea is clear to everybody. You all are very, very wonderful people, and you very well know what's happening in this world, and you know what shall be done. And let's take the first step. So you guys, anybody who wants to join the Hindi channel, you can join there, spread the word, share the video so that more people get to know about it and they can come. I will start taking classes once I have like a good number of students in American time zone, in Western time zone, European time zone, at least 100, 200, 300, 500. I need that much so that when I'm teaching for free, I want in less time to teach as many as possible, because population is very big, 7 billion or something like that. There's a lot more to do. There are many teachers doing this job, and I'm just one little part, and I want to play my part very well. And you are the part. Never miss that link. You are a link in the chain. We all are going in one direction. Okay. All right. that's it for today's video. Yeah, and I'll see you guys again on this channel. We'll talk something beautiful about something. I don't know what the bigger system wants me to tell. I will do that. I'll do my job. I'll see you in next video. Till then, stay safe and be healthy. Practice. Every moment is crucial. Namaste.